be a proud woman
to be part of Tantrotsav 2026.
I'm an event coordinator, coordinating an event for the 4th edition National Level Tech Fest Tantrotsav. I got to learn many skills and I implemented skills I learned in classroom, outside the classroom. I interacted with the industrial connections as well as people I saw from other campuses. I was able to review their ideas and implement it in real life, and I'm very grateful for all the opportunities I get here and looking forward for more.
Tantrotsav, it was really a great experience for us. Last year வந்திருந்தோம், அதோட இந்த வருஷம் இன்னும் நல்லா இருந்தது. We enjoyed it a lot.
My heart rages